Sunday, May 13th, day 51. Happy Mother's Day. Well, last night I completed the trifecta of #1 fears out here on the Appalachian Trail, which is from least dangerous, a bear encounter, to next dangerous, a rattlesnake encounter, and the absolute most dangerous, ticks. I pulled a tick off my body last night. I don't think he was on there long. And I used the little tweezers that were in my mini Swiss Army knife. So, pluck that guy right out of there. Keep an eye on that spot for the next day or two. Make sure we don't get a red bullseye around it. And I think we're done with the experiencing the 3 biggest fears out here. Although, you know what really takes people off the trail is injury. Probably that's the #1 thing. So, and I've already fallen down several times, but nothing more than a scrape. So today, a measly 18 miles. Starts off with a, about 4, 5, 6 mile climb, which I'm nibbling away at right now. Limited water. Fortunately, we're getting this climb done in the morning. And because it's supposed to be another scorcher up in the 90s. Yesterday, somebody told me at the shelter area that it was 93 or 94 degrees, and even more when you add in the humidity. Boy, I tell you what, it really took it out of me yesterday. I probably went through 7 or 8 liters doing that walk yesterday. A lot of it was in the sun too, and I feel, like my skin got a little overexposed. But, and hey, the bugs are out now. I do have bug spray on me. The leaves are filling out, so there'll be less and less of that out in the sun stuff. Probably don't need sunscreen. All right, well, I'll keep you posted. I'm trying to work my way through Virginia here, and so far so good. All right, well, it is still Mother's Day, and I am down to about the last 3 hours of hiking to get to my designated target, and it is now 1 o'clock and turning into a sauna out here. Wow, warm and humid. But we got a lot of downhill and a pretty good bit of shade, so I'm not suffering as much as I was yesterday. In fact, I feel pretty good. And still got to figure out what I'm going to do tomorrow. I've got a chance to go into a campground / grocery store and get a couple more days of food. I'm carrying about 2 days after today. And I still have 3 or 4 days to the next big town. And the problem with tomorrow's sidetrack into the campground, that's going to add about 5 miles to an already long day. And I gotta see what my options are. But anyway, hey, happy Mother's Day again.